For this dish, we have our oven preheated to 400 degrees, and we have some great flavoring that's going to go with the fish, either skin on or skin off. We have some sliced lemon, one sliced lemon. We have like a shallot that's been really thinly sliced. We have about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic that have been thinly sliced. We also have some cumin, and we have some smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika if you want, and also we have some olive oil. So what's going to happen is we're going to place our fish into our parchment or foil. I'm going to do one with skin on and one with skin off. I have a couple of flounder fillets here, so you can see this same. Instead of flounder fillets, you could also use tilapia. You could also use sole, which is basically the same thing. It's a flatfish. You could even use some cod. So those are our flatfish right there, laid out, right? And then I have a bass fillet. This is the same as like a bronzino. And check it out, I have the skin on, but I made some slices on the top where the skin was after I washed it off, and the fillet, so there's a skin on. So I'm showing you 2 different ways, skin on or skin off, with our fish. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle on our paprika, on all of it. Paprika, I'm just going to go on one side of the fish. You don't have to go on both sides. There's our paprika. Then we have our cumin. Cumin spice. Sprinkle that all around. You can use a shaker, but you sprinkle that all around just like that. Next, we're going to have salt. So you want to use some sea salt or kosher salt. There's salt. There's some more salt. Pretty generous on that. Sea salt or kosher salt. Then what I'm doing is going to spread out my shallots. So here's my shallots. And I'm going to do it on here too, on the skin on, right? Shallots. And then I have my sliced garlic. So your sliced garlic, intersperse that. And sliced garlic on here. We're doing it 2 different ways with fish, so you can see. Next, I have my thin sliced lemon. So you can spread around your thin sliced lemon. Try to get the seeds out of the slices if you can. So you can see that. There we go. So 2 different ones. Next, we're going to have a little bit of oil. So we're going to drizzle some olive oil. Drizzle and drizzle. So what's happening here, and I forgot a little bit more salt. Okay. So what's going to happen here is we're going to make pouches. So we're going to make our pouches. We're going to go over here and over here, fold over. And you can also do this with foil. We're going to take them together, and you're going to crease them. Just make a little crease just like that, like an envelope, okay? And we're going to fold over one side and one side, right? And then we're going to tuck underneath. So what this does is creates a pouch. But you got to make sure the top is sealed. And you don't want to press down your fish too much. So there's one right there. We're going to put on a sheet tray, cookie tray, or whatever you have it. Make sure it comes together. Now, if you put it on there and it comes apart again, you've got to make sure that's creased over. You can even fold it over, just like that, okay? But it's got to be creased. So there's our other one. Now, we're going to do our one with the skin on. There we go, like that, right? And we're going to go over and over. Fold your crease, right? So you're folding a crease. I go one side and the other side. This can be done with foil, like I said. If it opens up, it's okay. Just press it down like that. It'll behave. And like I said, our oven is preheated to 400. Okay, so this is going to go on for about 20 minutes in the oven. We're going to see if we get some color, and also we're going to press down and see how firm our fish is. All right, so let's get ready to put it in the oven. Our oven's preheated to 400. Press down just one more time. Make sure you got a nice little envelope. We're all set, and we're going to go in the oven. All right, that's 20 minutes later at 400 degrees. And once you pull that out, you're like ready to go. So you should feel the fish should feel firm, and you'll see a little bit of the moisture coming out. It shouldn't leak too much, but it might a little bit. What you're looking as you take your pouches out there, and you have your nice moisture, or your fish right in there, and then you're ready to pull it out and put it right there on the platter. There we go. Make sure when you press down a little bit, make sure your fish is firm, and then get a nice spatula to be able to take it out. I suggest you have a fish spatula, whatever you can use, to get right underneath it and put it on your plate.